Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the beautiful and meaningful Sakis of Kabir Das. Kabir was a great saint and poet who used very simple language to explain deep truths about life, God, and human behavior. In this video, I will explain each Saki in English so that it becomes easier for students and learners to understand the deeper meaning behind his words. These couplets may look simple, but they carry powerful messages about love, ego, truth, and self realization. So let's begin this journey of understanding Kabir's wisdom in clear and simple way. ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोई आपना तन शीतल करे औरन को सुख होई. The meaning behind this couplet is power of ego and speech. Kabir begins by emphasizing how we speak. Speech is not just communication, it reflects our inner state. When ego is present, speech becomes harsh and self centered. But when ego disappears, words become gentle, healing, and peaceful. The deeper meaning about this is controlling speech is actually controlling the mind. A calm mind naturally produces kind words, which create harmony in society. The next couplet कस्तूरी कुंडल बसे मृग ढूंढे बन माही ऐसे गटगट राम है दुनिया देखे नाई. The meaning of this couplet is God is within and not outside. Kabir uses the example of the deer searching for musk, unaware that it exists within itself. Similarly, humans search for God in temples, rituals, and external places. The deeper meaning is truth and divinity are within our own consciousness. The problem is not absence of God, but lack of awareness. Humans look outward instead of inward. जब मैं था तब हरि नाही, अब हरि है मैं नाही. सब अंधियारा मिट गया जब दीपक देखा माही. This explains ego versus divine realization. Kabir says that when I, the ego, exists, God cannot be realized. When ego disappears, God becomes present. It means ego creates separation, I versus God. When ego dissolves, unity is realized. The lamp symbolizes knowledge or self realization, which removes ignorance, which is darkness. सुखिया सब संसार है खाए अरु सोवे दुखिया दास कबीर है जागे अरु रोवे. This couplet talks about worldly comfort and spiritual awareness. Kabir contrasts himself with the world. People are busy eating, sleeping, and enjoying life, unaware of deeper truths. Most people live on the surface level, focused on comfort. But a seeker like Kabir feels restless, questioning life's purpose. This restlessness is actually the beginning of spiritual awakening. विरह भुवंगम तन बसे मंत्र न लागे कोई राम वियोगी ना जीवे जीवे तो बुरा होई. This talks about pain of separation from God. Kabir compares separation from God to a snake living inside the body, constant and painful. This is not physical pain, but spiritual emptiness. Without connection to truth or purpose, life feels meaningless. The madness represents confusion and lack of direction in life. निंदक नेड़ा राखिए आंगन कुटी बंदाए बिन साबुन पानी बिना निर्बल करे सुभाए. This couplet talks about importance of critics. Kabir gives a very practical teaching. Keep your critic close. Criticism helps us see our flaws. Instead of avoiding it, we should welcome it as a tool for self improvement. Truth grows, true growth comes from self correction, not praise. पोती पड़ी पड़ी जग मुआ, पंडित भया न कोई, भाई आखर प्रेम का, पढ़े सो पंडित होई. This talks about true knowledge. True knowledge is love. Kabir criticizes bookish learning. People read many books but do not become wise. Knowledge without love is empty. The 2.5 letters of Prem symbolizes that love, compassion, and empathy are the highest forms of wisdom. True education is character development, not just information. हम घर जाल्या आपना लिया मुराड़ा हाथी अब घर जालो तास का जे चले हमारे साथी. Here renunciation of ego and attachment is explained. Kabir says he has burned his own house, symbol for ego and attachment, and now carries a torch to guide others. Burning the house means letting go of ego, greed, attachment, illusions. A true teacher first transforms himself, then helps others do the same. So the final deep insight about all these sakis together convey a powerful message, which is stop searching outside, truth is within, remove ego to experience unity and peace, choose love over knowledge, humility over pride, accept criticism and reflect inward. Live consciously, not mechanically. Kabir's philosophy is simple yet profound, which is inner transformation is the path to true happiness and God.